kayo sa amin sa even though this is our first time to perform here in Hong Kong, didn't fail us. Talagang mainit yung pagtanggap niyo sa amin. And I'm so blessed to be celebrating my birthday with all of you. SB19, Wanzi, Sony, lahat mo na bumubuo ng programa na to, Live Nation, syempre 18, Hong Kong 18, Macau 18, China 18, maraming salamat. And so, for this next song, I just want you to sing along with us. Let's all cherish this moment together because this is once lang na nangyayari na kasama ko kayo sa birthday ko. Lahat na sumusubaybay, sumusupport sa SB19. No matter what era you came to know SB19, we will appreciate and love you guys so much. So, sana patuloy yung support ng SB19. For this next song, this is called Time. Let's sing it together.